Alright, today we're going to be doing a Ladybug by Forward Fireworks, aka Legend. Okay, so here we go. Not bad. Now we're going to do a Ladybug by Brothers Pyrotechnics, as you can see there at the bottom. And here we go. And that is why I don't like spinners. Okay. Now we're going to do this 1-inch artillery shell. It's what is it called? It's the it's from Shelton Fireworks. It's a 1-inch canister shell. I think it's El Matador or something like that. I'm gonna put it down here in this hole because I don't have the tube for it. The tube shredded. So we're gonna do that. Jeez. Anyways, next time you see me, this will probably be, I'll probably light some of those artillery shells I got. I haven't been doing them recently because it doesn't get dark till like 9:30 out. And it's 8 o'clock right now. It doesn't get till dark till like 9:30. That's why I haven't done the artillery shells, but it's starting to get dark earlier. So next time I light fireworks, it'll probably be an artillery shell. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.